Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you will be very well, and I am also very well. Today, I am going to discuss errors in measurement. In last class, I have already discussed about error and types of errors. Error error is divided into two parts. First one is systematic error, and other one is random error. Systematic error is further divided into three parts: instrumental error, observational error, and environmental error. I have already discussed about all these types of errors. Today I am going to discuss relative error, absolute error, relative error, percentage error, etc. I know that there is no measurement in the universe which is free from error. Error can be minimized, but it can never be removed completely. So we can write this point: there is no measurement. There is no measurement which is free from error. Okay? There is no measurement which is free from error. Next point: error can be minimized. Error can be minimized, but it can never means it can never be removed. It can never be removed completely. It can never be removed completely. Okay? Measured value is somewhat different from the true value. True value also called as actual value. Okay? True value. Measured value is somewhat different from the true value because error can never be removed completely. Therefore, there will be difference between measured value and true value, and this difference is called error. Okay? I have already taught you. Now I am going to discuss absolute error, relative error, percentage error today. What is absolute error? I am going to define absolute error. What is absolute error? If you perform an experiment in which there are a number of readings, what is absolute error? It is the difference between true value and measure value. If you perform an experiment, you take a number of readings, minimum 8 to 10 readings, to minimize error. If you take greater number of readings, then error will be minimum. Okay? Suppose that this is a scale. Suppose that this is a scale. And I am going to measure the length of this pen with the help of this scale. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay? This scale is in centimeter and a smallest division is in millimeter. Now I am going to measure the length of this pen. We put nearby to the scale. It is this its reading comes 1.9. Okay. Now I am going to second reading. Then it comes 1.8 centimeter, and now I am going to take next reading. Suppose it comes 1.82 centimeter. Similarly, we take minimum 8 to 10 readings. Eight 1 centimeter and so on. Okay. Suppose this is A1, this is A2, and this is A3, and this reading is A4. Okay. And the next reading is A5, which is equal to 1.83 centimeter. And this is A6, 1.81 centimeter. Okay. Two readings can be same. This and this are same. Okay. Now I am going to take mean value. Mean value of these readings will be very near to true value or actual value. Okay. But it is not equal to true or actual value, because error can be minimized, error can never be removed. Okay. Now I am going to take the mean value of these readings. This is mean. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on A6 upon 6. Okay. Now I am going to put these values in this equation. 1.9 plus 1.8 plus 1.82 plus 1.81 plus 1.83 plus 1.81 upon 6. Okay. This gives mean value. Now I am going to add these numbers. 1, 3 are 1, 4, 4 are 2, 6. Okay. Now I am going to solve this 3 1 4 4 are 2 6 6 are 2 6 6 or 1 7. Okay, 8 8 6 16 16 8 24 or 8 32 32 8 32 8 40 40 and 9 49. Okay, 4 4 1 5 5 1 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, upon 6. Now I am going to divide this number by 6. What will be the value? 6 8 and 2 1 approximately. Okay, this is the result. This is the mean value. Sorry, this comes 8 point. This is 6 8 2 and 8 and so on. It can be written as approximately 1.83. Okay, this is the mean value, A mean. Now I am going to find absolute error. Absolute error defined as A mean minus A. A mean minus A. In some book, it can be written as like this. In some books, it can be written as like this. This means that the difference between true value and measure value. Difference between true value and measure value. Difference between true value and measure value. We know that difference is defined as more minus less. Difference is defined as more minus less. Okay, difference is defined as more minus less. This is delta A1, A mean minus A1, delta A2, A mean minus A2. Okay, and so on. Delta A6, A mean minus A6. Delta A can be positive or negative, like this. Delta A1 should be equal to A mean is 1.83. Okay, and the first measured value is 1.9. These are measured value, and this is mean. Mean is very near to actual, 1.91. Okay, one point nine one. Okay. Similarly, you can find A6. Okay. Now I am going to take mean value of these absolute errors. Mean value of these absolute errors is defined as delta A1 modulus delta A2 modulus delta A3 modulus and so on upon if number of readings is n, then it will be n. Okay, and mean value will be A mean will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on an upon n. Okay, if number of readings is n. Okay, this is mean value. Mean value is taken as true value. Okay, delta A mean is the mean absolute error. This is called mean absolute error. Okay, mean absolute error. Now the measured value. Now the measured value is A mean and measured value is A1, A2, A3 and so on, and A mean is the mean value of all readings. Therefore, measurement will be A is equal to A mean plus minus delta A mean. This means that the value of A lies between the value of A lies between A mean minus delta A mean to lie between itna and itna. A mean lies between this and this. Okay, plus delta A mean. Okay, this is the value of A from this to this. Now I am going to define relative error. What is relative error? This is also called as fractional error. This is also called as fractional error. Fractional error is defined as fractional error, also called as relative error, is defined as delta A mean upon A mean. Okay, delta A mean upon A mean. Percentage error, delta A mean upon A mean into 100. Okay, this is percentage error. I hope you understood all these things. Now I am going to end the class. Have a nice day. See you again tomorrow. Namaskar from my side.